Hi guys, happy Revenge of the 5th. I'm so excited to share with you guys these Star Wars binky ears that I made for this special day. Let's just get right on into it.
Alright, I start by tracing an ear shape that I'd like on a thick piece of poster board, and then take a box cutter to cut out the ears. Then I'm taking those cut out ears, and on the back of the fabric, I'm tracing around them except with a little bit of a seam allowance. Go ahead and do this 4 times. Next, take some scissors and cut on the line that you just traced. Then I'm taking that template again and I'm tracing around it so I know where I can sew or where I can put the fabric glue. Next, take 2 pieces of fabric and put them right side together, and then you can use some pins so you can make sure that they don't move. The reason I'm using the template again is so I don't sew too far down, so I'm still able to slide this inside. Now, I actually didn't plan on sewing this. I don't really know how to sew very well, but the fabric glue said it would take 2 to 4 hours to dry, and I just wasn't that patient, so I just did a simple stitch to hold it together and then just added a little fabric glue as well. Then when you're done, go ahead and turn them inside out, right side out. Next, I'm taking the poster board template and sliding it through the fabric. This is what I used to stuff the ears. I got this from Walmart for about $3, I think. Once I've stuffed both sides, I'm taking some hot glue to seal the ends of the ears. Then repeat again for the second ear. I'm just deciding how far apart I want them to go before I start gluing them down on the headband. I'm using both fabric glue and hot glue just for added support. For the bow, I took a piece of cardboard and I trimmed it down into the width that I wanted the bow to be in. Then I'm wrapping the tool around the cardboard until it's as thick as I want it. Then just pinch the center and scrunch it down until it's the shape of a bow. I used some thread and wrapped it around a few times and then tied it off in a knot to hold the middle together. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the red tool, except for I'm going to make the bow a little bit smaller so I can layer it on top of the black bow. I'm putting the red bow on top of the black bow and using the thread to tie them together. Now I'm folding a small piece of black tulle that I cut so I can have something to go in the center of the bow so you don't see the thread that I wrapped around. And I used hot glue to keep it in place. Alright, once I know where I want the bow to go, I'm using some hot glue and gluing it down on top of the headband. Afterwards, I also decided I wanted to make another black bow so I can put it on the back so it would be a little bit more neat.
Guys, my question for you is, who is your favorite Star Wars character? You can only pick one. Mine's obviously Darth Vader. And that includes Anakin, because they're the same person, and good or bad, doesn't matter, I just love them both. Make sure you put your answers in the comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Revenge of the 5th.